project has been super interesting, very challenging to the students, and very much opening up many possibilities for their new exploration of VR.
I plan to have a lot of pretty translucent body panels, and I think really playing up a nice design through the frame is really important, and I continue to work on that through the weeks.
So today we're here for the midterm reviews. So we got to see every student present their concepts, not only to us but also to some of Stellantis' top professional designers as well. It was really amazing to see how far the students have come in such a short amount of time, and I think it was really valuable for them to get feedback from professional designers as well.
Put some thought into what the functions want to be once you do find your theme, but I would suggest really trying to loosen up and sketch through it a little bit.
Those comments really helped me a lot. I think they commented a lot on details that I never really pay attention to. I think those comments really opened up more opportunity to my design, as well as guiding me forward about what's the next step.
A lot of the ideas are that I saw today, some really new and innovative thoughts, and that's exciting.
It's been pretty impressive compared to a lot of the work that we're seeing coming out of our customers, just because you as students can work so much quicker and cover so much of a pipeline without maybe certain checks and balances that need to be made along the journey. So this has really been an eye-opening thing, and it's really just doubled down on our conviction as a company to focus in on student talent.